In a picturesque village nestled between rolling hills, life went on peacefully. Jasper, a black, thin donkey known for his kindness and adventurous spirit, spent his days exploring the beautiful meadows and forests that surrounded the village. One day, while wandering near the outskirts of the village, Jasper's curious nature led him to venture further than usual. The meadows stretched out before him, their golden hues beckoning him towards an unknown adventure. Hidden in a secluded clearing, Jasper stumbled upon a sight that would change his life forever. There, amidst the towering trees, lay a massive dragon named Ember, its once flaming scales now with a fading glow. Its majestic wings, once powerful, were now battered and broken, leaving it grounded and defeated. Despite the fear instilled by tales of ferocious dragons, Jasper felt a deep sense of empathy for the fallen creature. Ignoring the warnings of the village, he approached the dragon cautiously, his eyes filled with both fear and compassion. In the dragon's vibrant red eyes, he saw the reflection of pain and distress. Driven by compassion, Jasper resolved to help the dragon. With focused determination, he gathered branches and leaves from the forest floor. Carefully, he weaved them together, creating a makeshift splint for the dragon's wounded wings, each action guided by a deep desire to ease the creature's pain. As Jasper tended to Ember's wounds, a remarkable bond began to form between the two unlikely companions. Jasper's gentle touch and the dragon's vulnerability woven together in a tapestry of trust and friendship. As Ember's health improved, Jasper learned the true reason behind the dragon's grounded state. Ember had been protecting the village from a more sinister threat named Exeter. With a newfound sense of purpose, Jasper and Ember decided to join forces, their faces etched with determination. The village in the distance stood as a symbol of their common goal. Despite the odds stacked against them, Jasper and Ember faced Exeter, their common enemy. Together, they displayed a courage beyond their individual sizes, proving that even the smallest creatures can muster strength when united. Together, Jasper and Ember successfully defended the village, defying expectations and earning the admiration and gratitude of the once fearful villagers. The transformed village welcomed them with open arms, a celebration of love triumphing over fear. As Ember's wings heal, the dragon regains its majestic and powerful form. With a triumphant roar, Ember soars through the skies, no longer grounded, while Jasper stands proudly beside his friend.